Today I'll stick with Bharti Airtel. That is looking good. It's seen a good base formation. Structurally feels it can climb to levels closer to 317. I would have a stop below 293 and trade long on Bharti. I would also trade long on United Phosphorus today. Has given a beautiful breakout at levels closer to 141, and I would have a stop just below that 140 or so. And then maybe we can see levels closer to 151 in a day or two. So for today, it's Bharti Airtel and it's United Phosphorus. Go long. On the Nifty front, I would say that since we've got a breakout on Nifty futures at 5,900, I would have a stop below 5,900 and continue long. For a target of around 6050, 6080, it may go to even that level in the day. It will take few days for that with pauses. So I would say as long as levels of 5,900 hold, continue long on Nifty futures.
I would want to buy Ultratech Cement in the cash segment at 1,974 levels, holding these longs with a stop loss at 1,962, and I would expect to book profits at 1,992 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Gas Authority of India Limited at 318 levels. I would hold these longs with a stop loss at 315, and I would expect to book profits at 325 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the futures space, I would want to buy Bharti Airtel July futures at 300 levels, holding these longs with a stop loss at 297, expecting to book profits at 304 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
My picks would be Kotak Bank and Asian Paints in a shorter term. So Kotak Bank, stock has given a very good reversal on its daily and weekly charts. And if you look at the pattern formation, stock has seen some kind of double bottom formation and given a breakout above 720 zone. So it is clearly a case of 7 to 8% upside from current levels. So we are expecting a shorter term target of 770, 775. One can initiate a long position and can keep a stop below 730 in Kotak Bank. As far as Asian Paints is concerned, again the stock after hitting its all-time high has been consolidating for almost 2-3 months. So I think now again a very good strength is being seen in the stock. So one can expect the stock to cross its all-time high and can see somewhere levels around 5100 to 5150. So that could be the possible target in this expiry in Asian Paints. One can initiate a long position with a stop below 4800 levels in Asian Paints. As far as derivatives strategy is concerned, I think Yes Bank is one counter which is looking quite strong. It has tried to form an inverse head and shoulder on its daily and weekly charts, and once it crosses 490 levels, then I'm expecting a level of 520 on upside. So definitely stock looks quite strong on technical parameters, and if you look at options data also, it is clearly suggesting that a lot of long accumulation is happening in a out of money call of 500 strike price. So what we are suggesting is a bull call spread in Yes Bank, where one can buy a 500 call option at a premium of 11 points and can short a 520 call option at a premium of 6 points. So the maximum risk involved in the strategy would be 5 points, and the maximum reward would be limited to 15 points as we are writing a 520 call option. So it's a decent risk reward of 1:3, and the break-even point on expiry basis comes at 505 levels.
I would go long in a TCS, stop loss of 1540, target of 1620. TCS did give a breakout yesterday, and I think that follow-up will come in today, or in case there is a correction, I would treat that as an opportunity to buy. That suggests that Infi will also be a little positive. Something positive is seen on the IT stocks. The second one is a buy in India Bulls Real Estate, stop loss of 69, target of 78. And the third call is a buy in Imami, stop loss of 507, target of 555. And somebody wants to take a call in FNO, I have a buy in HDFC Bank July futures, stop loss of 675, target of 711.